Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Hey friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and since the festivities are in air, I am going to present to you this Gulab Jamun recipe, which is very easy to make and it turns out to be really wonderful, so that the festivity in the air can spread happiness with your friends and family by making this very juicy and yummalicious Gulab Jamun. So let's get started with the recipe. It's very simple. I have taken 1 cup of water, and into this 1 cup of water am I going to add 1 cup of sugar. This is brown sugar. You can take the sugar of your choice, white or any sugar which you have been using. So this is 1:1 consistency, and to enhance the flavors I have added 2 pods of cardamom or elaichi. So let us keep this for some time till the chashni gets ready. And now here I'm making the dough with 3/4 cup of milk powder. This is full fat milk powder. So this milk powder is 3/4 cup or 90 grams. And into this am I going to add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Ghee actually enhances the flavors of gulab jamun. So ghee has to be softly kneaded into the milk powder. So this is the procedure of kneading the ghee into the milk powder, so that flavors of ghee comes into your gulab jamun, and it is very good, believe me. And after this am I going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. After dry mixing this 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, I am adding 1 tablespoon of semolina or suji. So this dry mixture is getting added, and this is a pinch of baking soda. Yes, baking soda. Instead of baking powder, I prefer taking baking soda. It gives better results. And this is 3 tablespoons of warm milk. Now, this one very instruction about this is this warm milk has to be added slowly and steadily. We are going to make a sticky mixture of this. So this warm milk has to be added in small quantities so that we don't get lumps. So this is the sticky consistency which we want, and when you get this sticky consistency, that is the right point, and you get an indication you have made the right dough. So let us keep this aside for around 10 minutes, and after that we will be working on it again. So let us start with the other processes. Now this is oil. Slow to medium flame is necessary for boiling, and let's see what has happened to our chashni. Here the chashni is ready. We don't want a single tar ki chashni, we just want a sticky chashni we want, and the quantity should be little more so that your gulab jamuns get dipped into it. Now after 10 minutes my dough is ready. Look at the dough. Semolina suji has fully absorbed the water content, and now it is in the right shape where I can roll it. I'm just greasing my palm with ghee, and now I'm going to roll the balls. So they have to be really very super fine from outside. Little bit of imperfection here and there is all right, but the finish from outside should be super fine, because that will give you perfect gulab jamuns. So I am trying to make it as perfect as I can, and here I have turned out this gulab jamuns. So this is about 8 to 10 gulab jamuns, and now I'm going to put them in this slow to medium flame. Now slow to medium flame is the right level at which you have to cook these gulab jamuns. You have to be really patient when you are frying the gulab jamuns. My oil was a little bit on a higher side, so I'll tell you what exactly happened with my gulab jamuns. They turn a little red as soon as I put them. So you can see this. So that is why I'm telling you, you have to be really making them at slow to medium flame. Don't increase your flame, because otherwise your gulab jamuns will turn out to be uncooked from inside and a little bit on a harder side. So more the patience you maintain, more better results are going to show up, believe me. So see, now with my slow to medium flame, the gulab jamuns are really turning out to be the way I want them to be. So they are really increasing in their size and they are turning golden brown. We have to wait till they turn out to be fully golden brown. So this is the point where, or this is a very important thing which we have to take into consideration. Look at this. These are golden brown. So I'll just wait for another minute or so, because there are certain ones which are white. I want this perfect brown color with all the gulab jamuns. So I'm just waiting for them to turn the way it looks like a halwai wala gulab jamun. So now they are ready and my chashni should be warm. Now this is another tip. The chashni should be warm. It shouldn't be hot, otherwise your gulab jamuns will lose the shape. So you can immediately immerse your gulab jamuns in the warm chashni. Chashni should not be hot at all. It should be at a warm level. So here, these gulab jamuns you can keep for 35 to 40 minutes and then they'll absorb the chashni. Normally 2 hours is the preferred time where you can get the perfect results. So it depends on the way the chashni is absorbed, but my recommendation to you is to keep it for around 45 to 50 minutes for perfect results. So here my gulab jamuns I kept about around 50 minutes and they have actually absorbed the chashni, as you can see, and the size has increased a little bit more after absorbing of chashni. They have turned out to be a little bigger in size. So this is the perfect size presenting to you, friends, this wonderful gulab jamuns for this festive season. May it bring a lot of happiness, joy and sweetness in everybody's life. And again, if you have liked my recipe, please, you know what you have to do. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.